Hello, my name is Prasad Sutar from SYCO2B, Zil Polytechnic, Nare, Pune. Today I am going to explain our micro project topic, which is categorize various standards of cable. For this topic, our guide is Deepali Parse ma'am. So thank you Deepali Parse ma'am for helping us a lot. So we start with our micro project. First cable is twisted pair cable. A twisted pair cable comprises of two separate insulated copper wires which are twisted together and run in parallel in diameter. One of the wires is used to transmit data and other is ground reference. Advantages of twisted pair. First, it are often want to carry both analog and digital signal. It's relatively easy to implement and terminate. It is smallest amount expensive media for transmission of brief distance. If portion of twisted pair cable is broken, it doesn't affect the whole network. Then disadvantages of twisted pair cable. It offers poor noise immunity, as a result signal distortion is more. Attenuation is very high. It supports lower bandwidth as compared to other medias. It offers very poor security and it's relatively easy to tap. Being thin in size, they are likely to break easily. Application of twisted pair cable: Ethernet network, telephone lines, DSLN lines, security camera system, LANs. There are two types of twisted pair cables. First is unshielded twisted pair, that is UTP. Second is shielded twisted pair cable, that is STP. Unshielded twisted pair cable. Unshielded twisted pair cable are widely used in the computer and telecommunication industries as Ethernet cables and telephone wires. In an UTP cable, conductors which are from a single circuit are twisted around each other in order to cancel out electromagnetic interference, that is EMI, from external source. Second cable is coaxial cable. Coaxial cable is a cable type used to carry radioactive signals, video signals, measurement signals and data signals. Coaxial cable exists because we can't run open wire line near metallic objects such as ducting or bury it. The signal is carried between the cable shield and the center conductor. Advantages of coaxial cable: coaxial supports high bandwidth level, easy to install, easy to locate, can provide power, is rough. Third cable is optical fiber cable. Fiber optic, are also called optical fiber, are microscopic strands of very pure glasses with about the same diameter of a human hair. Thousands of these optical fibers are arranged in bundles in optical cable and are used to transmit light signal over long distance. Application of optical fiber cable: Internet fiber optic transmit large amount of data at very high speed. Computer network, surgery and industry, automotive industries, telephones, lighting and deconstruction, mechanical, cable television.